In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Substack sign-up form in Squarespace. We're going to walk through the full process together, starting in Substack to grab the embed code, and then moving into Squarespace to place that form exactly where you want it on your site. By the end, you'll have a live working Substack sign-up form embedded on your Squarespace page, so visitors can subscribe without ever leaving your website. First, let's get the embed code from Substack. Go ahead and log into your Substack account. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and click the More button. From that menu, choose Settings. Inside your account settings, you'll see a list of your publications. Select the publication that you want the sign-up form to connect to. This is important because the form you embed will send subscribers to that specific publication. When you're on that publication settings page, look at the left-hand side panel and click Settings again if needed. Now scroll down through the options until you reach the section labeled Growth. In this Growth section, you'll find an option called Embeddable Subscribe button. This is where Substack gives you the code you need. Click there and you should see a block of code that looks like HTML. Highlight that entire embed code and copy it. You can use your usual copy shortcut here. Keep this code handy because we'll paste it into Squarespace in just a moment. Next, head over to your Squarespace account and log in. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click Edit Site. Your site preview will open, and at the top left of that preview, click Edit again to enter the page editor. Now navigate to the page and the exact section where you want your Substack subscribe form to appear. Hover your mouse over that area until you see the option to Add Block. Click Add Block, and a panel will slide out showing different block types. From that list, choose Embed. Squarespace will add an embed block to your page. You can drag this block around to adjust its position until it sits exactly where you want the form to display. Click on the embed block, and you'll see a small floating toolbar appear. On that toolbar, click the pencil icon to open the block settings. A panel will appear. In this panel, switch to the code snippet option, then click Embed Data. In the Add Code field that appears, paste the embed code you copied from Substack earlier. After you paste it, just give Squarespace a moment to process. The embed block will load and should display your Substack subscription form right inside your Squarespace page. You can now save or publish your changes, and your visitors will be able to subscribe directly through that embedded form. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your Substack sign-up form into Squarespace.